recording now. So I have shared. Any one or two, please tell me over mic whether you can see the slides.
Yes, sir, it's visible. We can see.
Thank,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
thank
sir.
you,
Fine, sir.
thank you, thank you so much. So, good afternoon, all of you, and I welcome all of you for today's session on Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is good software which has its extensions in education sector and other business sector as well. So, we are going to see how Microsoft Team is contributing for academic learning management system. You see, actually, what is required here is first we have to download this Microsoft Team app. Microsoft Team is an app we need to download in our system, whether it is a laptop or computer or mobile. It has apps for all these different kinds of systems. So the first step is that. So we have to download it from Office 365. If you click Office 365 in search engine, you will get a lot of apps there, and we have a Microsoft Teams here. If you see my cursor, this is a Microsoft team. So we have to click that, and it will ask you some steps where you should follow, and automatically that team will be downloaded in the system. After that, run the team means it will install in the system. This is the first step. For doing this, it will ask you give me the login ID and password. So this login ID and password will be given by our university, as we all got niu.edu.in. So this step is going to be done by IT center, and we all will receive our login ID and password. In fact, I got my login ID password yesterday from our IT center. So this is the step one. So once you get this, if you click that uh, Microsoft Teams app, directly it will take you this window where you can see, similar to that Google Classroom, a window opens here. It is the beginning where you have nothing, it directly, I have kept my cursor in chat. Above the chat, you can see the left hand side vertical toolbar. You have activity, chat, and Teams, assignments, calendar, calls. You can make a call also to a particular person in the participants. And three dots. If you make three dots, you will get more options. I will be showing it later. So this is how the window opens. Now we have to suppose we are supposed to create. We are supposed to create class. In Google Classroom, we call it as create or join class. But here they call it as teams. Create teams. There the word is class. Here it is teams. So you can see the third icon, teams. If you click teams, it'll ask you create teams or join team. But in Google Classroom, it asks create class or join class. The next slide you can understand. See, I am clicking this team here. When I click team, you will get two big icons. It says create a team or join a team with a code. Okay, always the code word you are getting both in Google Classroom and also in Microsoft Team. So now we are supposed to click this create team. Obviously, the steps are same. Only the words are different. Now we are supposed to click this team. Once if you click team, it will take you to the next window. See, this is the applications of this Microsoft Team. Select a team type. Which kind of team you need? Do you need a classroom kind of team, or where you can do discussions, group projects, assignments? This is all about, you can see the picture also. It's like a school education, this thing. And next is about professional learning community. This educator working group. This is to have a discussion among professionals. And this is about staff, and this is other clubs, study groups, and so after school activities and all this. So we are supposed to click only classroom, obviously. So once if you click classroom, we will get it will take us inside the classroom. You see the difference? In the previous slide, only join or create team. Once if you click create team, it will ask you which type of team. We have to click class. The type of team is group of students in the class. And once you click this, it will ask you the class details. But here it is details of a team. In Google Classroom, it is class detail, it is team details. So you write here the name of the team, maybe fourth year mechanical or third year law, whatever. Descriptions, it is optional. You can write what for this team is, means objective of the subject, what you're going to teach in that course, something like this. So once if you type the text, some informations here, the icon next, it will turn active, it will turn to blue, and you will click next. The steps is similar. So today I can make it a little fast because you're a little familiar with these things. Now you see I'm typing here MTech system simulation. That is the name of the subject. Automatically the next button turns to be active. Now we will click next button. Once we click next button, it will ask you add people directly. But this is not happening in Google Classroom. Google Classroom is only about class. For adding people, you should go to add people. Okay. But in Google Classroom, but in Microsoft Team, once if you click next after giving team details, it will take you directly to add people. So you can add students by giving their email ID here, or you can add teachers by giving their email ID. You can choose. Participants may be students or teachers. This is also similar like Google Classroom. So I have added my email ID in the name of a student. Once if you add, you can keep on adding, or you can copy from my Excel file a group of students and paste it here, and just click add button. Okay. So we will add the students also here. So once if you do that, you see after clicking add, you will get the another window here, the lower window. You can see characteristic. This is appearing in the name of student. Okay, because I was not able to add any others, as I don't have this ac.in account with them. So I've added this only one. So this is how we add students. So far we know how to create team. Just go into this teams, create team, and then class, select class, and then give the detail of the classroom or the team, and then uh, add students, and then once you add the students, you can see the students are added here, and that's it about this adding. So once the students are added, you will get the different screen. You can see posts, files, class notebook, assignment, grade. This is the area where we play the game. Okay, so post means announcement. In Google Classroom, it is called as stream, but in Microsoft Office, Microsoft Team, it is called as posts. And files, it will have different types of files, assignments, giving materials, everything comes here. Files. Again, assignment is appearing separately. uh, After a couple of weeks, if you want to go directly to check only the assignments, directly you can go to the assignment, or if you simply click files, you will get everything here also. Okay, so later on in files you will get all so many files. To avoid that, it is separated: assignments, grades, something like this. So this all we have seen in Google Classroom as well, and it is available in Microsoft Team like this. Now you see in post, you can see at the bottom, you see the team. The words, I should be very particular with the words what I'm using. It is the team what I created. See, it says your teams. I have only one team, and that team is MTech system simulation. That is my class. That's it. And now it gives an option: welcome to MTech system simulation. Choose where you want to start. I will start by uploading class materials, or I will start find help and training. We don't need it. We will upload the class materials. If you want, you click this. And in posts, you can come down and you can see start a new conversation. It's just like a stream. You can say our class starts from 4th of August. All students are informed to attend the class with all online facilities required from your end, or whatever information you need. So this is in post. So after typing here, you can there is one button here. It is just like a mobile phone in app, enter or send. So it will be posted. So this is about post. So this window we are going to get after creating the team, after adding number of students. Once if you say next, you will get this window. Okay. And then posting messages, what I explained, I am just showing by arrow mark for someone who need more detailed information. So I have typed here whatever I was discussing, and that's it. And this button we will press, and it will be announced. How it will announce? Yeah, the announcement comes like this. This announcement I made today morning 8:28 a.m. Okay, so S1 means my email ID. In my email ID, it is telling S1. SCT1. It has taken some words from that. So this is how our posts appear. So it will be seen by all participants, whomever we have added, maybe students or teachers, and they can reply here also by clicking it, just like chatting in mobile phone. So this is about the posts. And you see in this window, I forgot to tell you, we have a meet here. On the top right corner, we have a meet. If you click meet, directly it will bring that video discussions. All we can share our PPTs, we can share whiteboards and all these things. I'll tell you this at the end of this presentation. So now it's about the post. Now we will move on to how to add materials, assignments, quiz, main things. Next is upload materials. So for uploading materials, as I told in the previous, we will click this upload class materials. It is here. And once if you click this, it will take you to files. Okay, once if it is moving to files, you can see so many new icons opens. New, upload, copy link, download, add cloud storage, open in SharePoint. You know, so many options are there just to upload our classroom materials. Usually we will go to upload materials because we prepared our own materials. It will be in our some of the folders. So we will upload it. We will use this button, upload button. So that's why I've written here, once you click upload materials, it will take you to files toolbar. This is in files toolbar now. Under files toolbar, you have so many options. So now we will upload. I'll just show you. Once if you click upload, then you those steps are not here. I will show you when I use this app. So once if you click upload, it will take you to a window where you have options to upload materials from the system. Okay, if you click that icon, it will open the folders, and from folder you can choose CAM syllabus. I have selected this file CAM syllabus, and it is uploaded. ACT1. ACT1 means it is my login ID. I mean that email address. So this is email ID of a teacher. This material created. So this appears like this. Okay. This is how we will upload materials. Hope so far it is clear. Any one or two can respond because I'm not seeing the chat window. I cannot
Yes,
see.
sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So this is upload. So now when the students are clicking this material which we uploaded, automatically that file will open here. The CAM MTech objective, what you see, this is about the syllabus. So they can see here. So the beauty of it is it will open like MS Word only. Means the students, not necessarily students, if we have some sort of material where students need to edit our questions or answers or fill in the blanks, you can directly upload here, and they also have a chance to edit also. So they can use this MS Word, they can type here, they can modify again, they can upload again back. So such kind of options are there. So this is about uploading syllabus or materials, whatever. Like this we can upload materials also. For uploading material, I have used only upload button, and we can copy link also. If there is a video, you can copy the link and upload the link, or you can download some video from somewhere else. From cloud storage also you can bring it. So this is all about the materials. And then assignments. So in assignments, uh, we have assignments button here. After files, class notebooks. I'm not telling more about this class notebook. We will try to explore it later on. Assignments is important. So when you click assignments, you will get this window. Welcome to assignments, and you click get started. These are all interactive. Interactive. It says create assignment, create quizzes, manage timelines, means time bounded quizzes and all these things. scheduling the assignments. Okay? And add grading rubrics. Rubrics is available in Google Classroom also, here also. Rubrics is more quality oriented works. Let's not do it now. So let's click this get started. After clicking assignment, once if you click get started, it will take you to this window, where there is one button called create button. If you see this window, there is a create button. If you click create button, you will get a pop-up menu bar. You will get a small pop-up menu bar. In that menu bar, you will have three kind of assessments. One is assignment, the other one is quiz, other one is from existing. Means if you're repeating the same subject next semester, the previous semester assignments will be there. You can directly copy it. See, this is the beauty of this online working. If you work once, next semester your work is almost negligible in online, because everything is there in the system. Directly you can do some modifications and tell the students. So we have three options. Now, first we will see how to do this assignment. Then we will see how to do the quiz, and that will be done with these assessments. Now I'm clicking this assignment. Let me. We have to click the assignment. Once if you click the assignments, you see you will get new assignment. You will get the new assignment. That is why I'm giving this PPT, because it will be easy to practice first time. It's a standstill screenshots, so we can see what next, and from second time it will be very easy. So this new assignments is there. Again, same like whatever we are entering in Google Classroom, we have to enter here. It asks title. What is the title of the assignment? You can give that, depends on the nature of the subject. Give the title, give some instructions to the assignment. You can tell them, please answer clearly and legibly. Do not take a photocopy, or do not take a screenshots and submit as assignment. You can tell write manually and submit. Whatever instructions you need, you can. Then we have add resources. In this add resources, we can upload the questions of assignments. If you click add resource, you can see the symbol. That symbol is for attaching files. In Google Classroom, only one word, add. But in Microsoft Team, they call it as add resources. Second word is also there. But the symbol, both are having same symbol, because it is just attachment. So we will click this, I will tell you afterwards. After that, points, like Google Classroom, you give 2 points, 3.5 points. Rubrics, if we want, we can add rubrics, otherwise we cannot. Assign to, this is also same in Google Classroom, to whom? To all students. Or if some students are coming late, if you're giving them re-quiz, I mean, if you're giving them late quiz, you can choose only that student's email ID, okay, and give that student this particular assignment. And again, due date. Due date, you set the date when the assignment has to be submitted with the time. But here, you see, automatically it will get saved. And there is one icon on the top right corner, it says assign. But in Google Classroom, it has assign, and nearby there is an arrow mark where we can choose whether to assign now, or whether to assign later, or whether to discard the draft. These options are there. But now in Microsoft Team, we don't have that option. We have to make decision clearly here itself, which day you want. But later on, always there is a chance for editing it. Okay, it says assignment will post immediately with date turn in allows, or if you want to edit, you can edit. That option is there. So this is similar to Google Classroom. So after clicking assignment button, it will give you this window. You know how to fill all these things. Only thing I will tell you how to add resources. Now if I click add resources, because this is how we are uploading the questions. Okay, I will tell you what happens when you click add resource. When you click add resource, you see it will take you one more pop-up window will come. In that window, you can bring the assignments from OneDrive or class notebooks if you have some assignments previous one. If you if you want, you can bring an assignment from link also, or new files you can create, or from team. And finally, at the bottom, you can see upload from this device, means from my computer or the laptop or mobile phone. So you will click this upload from this device. Once if you click, it will take you to the device, and cam assignment that is uploaded. Uploading is not showing here in the screenshots. So I will show you when I do this. So once if you click it and upload, automatically below this assignment, the CAM assignment date, everything comes. So the assignment question is given to students. And instruction I have written, assignment shall be clear and legible. That's all. And this is, and finally we click this assign button. That's it. Points I have given 5 and to all students. I have given due date as 7th August 2020 and 11:15 p.m. means end of this particular day. That's the idea. Then assignments created. Now once assignment is created, you can see here draft is assignment only one video. So far we did one assignment. Okay, CNC, because the icon is in assignment, so it will show only assignments. So far we have created only one assignment, so that one assignment will be appearing here. That's about this. Now again, if you want to create something, again the create button is there. You create it, and if you want, go for second assignment, or if you want, you can choose quiz also. Because when is once if you click create, it'll it'll pop up. Menu will pop up. There you can choose quiz also. Okay, this is about the assignments. Now we are going to quiz. Again, I am creating. I'm clicking create. Again, the pop-up menu appears, and there I choose quiz. See, quiz is highlighted with blue color. This is about creating quiz. So you click quiz, and what happens when you're clicking quiz? It's very important. We have to concentrate here. When you click quiz, it'll take us to Google Forms. Yeah, sorry, not Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, MS Forms. But in Google Classroom, it takes to Google Form when we click create a quiz assignment, not assignments. If you remember in Google Classroom, when we click quiz assignment, it will take us to Google Forms directly. But in Microsoft Team, when you click quiz, it will take us to Microsoft Forms. But before taking to Microsoft Form, this software is asking to log in again. It will ask us to log in again. So you should again log in with your same ac.in account. I will show you how this is asking. Now when I click this quiz, you see, clicking quiz, immediately form comes. Forms means Microsoft Forms. So in this forms only we are creating the quiz. Here you can see the icon called new quiz. So we are creating a new quiz. If you have already created, there will be some list of quizzes, old quiz. That is why there is one more word called as choose a quiz. So we don't have anything, it's a new class. So we have to go for a new quiz. Once if you click new quiz, it will ask, we will get one more window. You can see this window. If you can see here, these two windows are different. This is not MS Team window. This is MS Forms window. See, the window will switch over from MS Team. This window is MS Team window, and the below window is MS Form window. You can see in your desktop. So it will take to that MS Form window. There it will ask you already sct1@niu.ac.in. This is my email ID, and it is asking the password of that. So I have to enter the password and tell sign in. After that only it will take us to create the quiz in Microsoft Forms. Okay, this one step is little special than Google Classroom. Google Classroom, no more logins once you enter the Google Classroom. But in Microsoft Teams, we have one more login, whenever we need to give a quiz. If you click quiz, it will take you to forms. If you click new quiz, it will ask you to enter your password in the Google Forms. So you sign in, and then what happens? So I have written here, clicking new quiz will take you to Microsoft Forms, where you need to sign in using your login ID and password. So once if you do, this is the forms. This is Microsoft Forms. Now still we are in forms only. Okay, we have switched over from Microsoft Team to Microsoft Forms. So this takes you to Microsoft Forms, where you have to add quiz. You see, this is the area where the questions and their responses. I don't have any response because this time I didn't add any students. If there are students, if you click this response button, obviously we will see how many students have responded. So now we are in questions. We have to create the questions. Okay, so here the untitled quiz. So if you want, you click your cursor here and give the name of the quiz. You can give quiz 1, chapter 1, or whatever. You can name it. Don't keep this as untitled quiz. Change the name as quiz 1, whatever. And then once if you click add new, it will take you to another window. I will show you. You see text quiz name in untitled space, and then click add new button to get more options to create quizzes. Once if you click this add new, you will get a horizontal toolbar. You will get a horizontal toolbar where you will have different types of questions. If you remember, in Google Classroom, if you click the arrow button, we will get a vertical toolbars. There are so many types of questions can be created. But in Microsoft Team, the toolbar is horizontal. I'll show you on the next screen like this. If you click add quiz, the toolbar elongates. It comes in horizontal style, where you have different types of questions. You can go for multiple choice. Choice means multiple choice. Text questions, if you want, you can give a short answer questions. In Google Classroom, this choice is called as multiple choice. In Google Classroom, this text is called as short answers. There are different types of names only, but the content or the exact this question is same format. And rating is a kind of ranking. If you give some questions, you can give weightage, 3, 4, 5, like this. Rating systems, these are different types of questions. Now normally we will use multiple choice or text. These are the two most widely used. We will see how to use this. Now I have chosen this choice. Let's see. You see in this window, what else I can say is there is a preview. After creating the question, you can go for preview. It will show you how it looks for the student, how the student will see it. See, faculty seeing is different, student seeing will be different. So that preview of the student can be seen by us. And theme, if you want to have any theme, background theme or whatever, you can give it. That depends on different nature of different colleges. Yeah. So now let's see in the next slide uh, about this creating questions. Choice, I have clicked choice. So here my first question, there is a small space here. It asks text your question. So I have texted already, what is the G code for absolute programming? This is a question in my subject, so I have given this question. And here I have given 4 answers. Again, it gives an option, add options. It gives a choice for us, similar to Google Classroom. We can keep on adding a number of multiple choices and text the answers in everything. And after texting the answers, you can choose. There will be 3 icons here, where faculty will choose which is the correct answer. I am choosing here, this is the correct answer. So this will not be seen by student do not know what is the correct answer, but we are telling the system this is the correct answer. Because once the students are entering the mark, it will evaluate. If any student is clicking G90, they will get 2 marks or 3 marks. This is 2 marks, they will get 2 marks. That is the idea. We will give the answer to the system, which will not be seen by student. That I will show you how this question appears to students. Once if you click this preview, you see there is a preview here on the top, towards right hand side direction. There is a preview. If you click preview, you can see how this question appears to students. Yeah, after creating the question, below we have points, 2 points. Multiple answers, no, I didn't activated it because we want only one answer. Required means a single answer, so I need only one. So this much I make a set. Similarly, this is question 1. If you want question 2, add now, add new. Keep adding questions by clicking this button. So once if you're done, you can see the preview here. If you click preview, you see, this is the beauty of this Microsoft Team. It takes preview in computer. If students are using computers, they will get the preview like this. You see, what is the G code of absolute programming? 2 points. That's all. They do not know which is correct answer. If they click G90, they will submit. This is what student will do. If a student is using mobile app, it will look like this. This is in mobile, this window. You see that there are 2 options. This is computer, this is mobile. I have shown computer view like this. Mobile view, you click mobile, it will show you mobile view. What is the G code? They will do it. Finally, submit here, they will submit. So this is about, so far we have created questions using Google Form. Still, we have not brought it to MS Team. You understand me this point? So far, we have created questions only in Microsoft Forms. Now, our work is to bring this question back to Microsoft Teams. How to do that? You see, after creating quiz in Microsoft Form, go back to Microsoft Teams. You switch the window in your computer and then click quiz again. In that window, again there is a create quiz, isn't it? We should click that quiz. Once if you click that quiz, where you will get the newly created quiz, this quiz will appear. You can see the dark screen behind this small white box is the Microsoft Team window. Now I am in Microsoft Team window. I have clicked that quiz. Once if I click the quiz, this window is popping up. In this window, I am getting CAD quiz 1. This CAD quiz 1 is what we have developed before. This is CAD quiz 1. Okay. So it is there. Now I will choose this. It is not selected. It is empty. Now I will click here and then this next button will be highlighted. Here it is not highlighted, but if you see the below window, it is highlighted. That is why I put these two windows in the same PPT. So it is easy to compare these two. So click here. Once if you click here, you see it is colored a little dark color. That means it is selected. Once if you select this quiz, next button is active. Now you click next button, then the quiz will be uploaded in Microsoft Team. So creating quiz in Microsoft Forms. After creating quiz in Microsoft Forms, leave that window, come back to Microsoft Team window. In this Microsoft Team window, you again click create quiz. Then you will get a new window where you will see the questions which is already created in Microsoft Forms. Select that, you will see it is selected, and then click next button. After that, what happens? The quiz appears here in Microsoft Team. You see CAD quiz 1. Again, CAD quiz 1 system simulation. It is there. Now, if you want any instructions, you can keep your cursor here, type, attend quizzes clearly, something like this. And then what points you want means other settings, giving points, to whom the quiz has to be assigned, which is the due date for the quiz. These are all other usual settings we do it. So this is how a quiz creates. Okay, here the quiz also comes under assignments only. Assignment also comes under assignment. Quiz also comes under assignment. Unlike Google Class. Google Class, everything comes under create button. But here it comes under assignments. Material comes under files. Quiz and assignment comes under assignment button. So this is how it is created. And then there is one button on the top right corner. You click assign, it will be assigning to students. You will see I have assigned, so it is assigned. Due date 7th. Okay. So since this is a quiz, due date tomorrow. Okay. So it is assigned now. So two works is assigned. What is the first work? First work is assigned. It is about assignment. Second work is quiz. Okay. So if you want, you can write assignment. You can write quiz. Something like so. This is how assignments has to be created, and quiz also has to be created. Now, if you click post, you see, if you click post, it will show you what and all we did so far. I have communicated, I have made an announcement with student, it appears there in the post. Assignments which we have created also appears in the post. Okay, and the quiz which is created also appears in the post. You can see which time I have created assignment, 8:17 a.m. Which time I have created this quiz, 9:15 a.m. Okay, so if the student wants, they can click view assignment. View assignment. You see here the names are similar. This is also an assignment. This is also an assignment. This is an assignment in the form of homework or assignment. This is an assignment in the form of quiz. That is how these people mean the terminologies in Google Microsoft Teams. So now How to check the response? You see, in the Google Forms, you can see the response. There is a response button, as I told you. If you click response, it will show you how many has responded. Since I don't have any students, it's not appearing. If there is students, the responses will be there. Then you can say open in Excel, and you can correct, their status, and their materials will be. You see, it is here, review answers, post scores. You can see review answers. Once any students is submitted, these two buttons will be active. So you can check the answers and then give the mark here, post scores, and then submit and then share. So this is how we will respond to the students' quiz submissions. Now, this is about assignments and quiz, and then we will go to Meet, Google Meet. Once if you click Google Meet, where to click Google Meet means you go. You see, this is a Google form. Don't search Google Meet. Sorry, don't search Microsoft Meet in MS Forms, Microsoft Forms. Go back to Microsoft Teams. You will get Meet on the right top corner. See the blue colored background screen is Google Meet. The green colored background screen is Google Form. The color differences are there. Make a note of it. Even from app icon also, color is blue for Microsoft Team, color is green for Microsoft Forms. So search in Microsoft Team only for Meet. You can see on the top right corner, there is a Meet with a video picture icon symbol. Click that Meet, you will get this screen. You will get this screen. Okay. So here, marking attendance. So we go to this Meet and how to mark attendance. There are three simple steps I have shown in three arrow mark. The first is press show conversations. You see, in the Google Meet, you are getting a menu icon bars here in the horizontal. There, if you click this, what is this? This is show conversations. That means show the chat window. That is the meaning. They use a different name, show conversation. So if you click this meeting chat will open. Before clicking this meeting chat will not be there. After clicking this meeting chat, you can see on the meeting chat right column, that will open. Once that is opened, you can see at the bottom of this meeting chat, there is a three dots, three dot dot dot. So if you click this three dot, one small icons will pop up, these icons. This small window will pop up after clicking these three dots. I think I have written here. Then go to three dots, then click forms. So once if you click three dots, you will get this small window with some icons. Means not icons, they are apps, Microsoft apps. In these apps, the first one is forms. That is Microsoft Forms. Now you click forms. After clicking form, it will take you to the Microsoft Forms, where you should ask same like what we did in Google class. What is that? In Google class, we asked mark attendance using question under create. We went to create, we click question, and then we ask mark your attendance. We give multiple choice, only one choice, that is present. Same we are going to do here, but here we use Google Forms. Same question, same multiple choice, one choice, present. How it is, you see, like this. Once if we click that forms, marking, you see, you will get this screen. You see, this screen comes from the Meet only. You should not go to any other way to take the form. Don't take the Microsoft form directly. Take Microsoft form through this road. Go to show conversation, then three dots, then forms. Then only that form will be ready for taking attendance. That's the procedure. Steps. So once if you click the form, you will get this form. Here it is asking create a new poll. See, otherwise, see, we have used forms for two times. Before we have used the forms for creating quiz. In creating quiz, there is a chance for there is an option for giving points, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. But now our idea is to create ask questions for attendance. Attendance is a non-grade. We should not grade it, so point should not come. That is why we have to choose the forms from this road. Go to show conversation, three dots, and forms. If you go in this direction, you will get a form which will not ask any marks or points. So you will get a form here. It is asking create a new poll. It is like a voting. I have typed here mark your attendance, and I have already chosen. There are two, three options. I have deleted all options. I put only one option. I have given present, and then there is a next button. If I click next button, it will take me to this screen. How the screen appears. It appear mark attendance. It is for students. The students will. It is a preview. Here is a preview of the card you will be sending. Card means voting card. They use different terms. This is a poll, this is a card, this is a vote. you know Terms are different. So card you will be sending. So the students are seeing it, and they will mark present, and they will submit vote. Means submit their attendance. That's it. Once they submit the attendance, it will be we can see the attendance. But what we have to do, after clicking next button, it will take you to the next screen. In the next screen, we have to send this. That is our work. Okay, and then it will reach the students will do the votings for present, absent, and they will submit votes. It will appear to you in Excel form also. You can download it. So now this is our attendance. How to manage this attendance? Honorable Vice Chancellor asked me last time in Google class, can we stop student from the class? It is possible in Google class, and it is possible in Microsoft Team also. How to get that? In PPC, for getting that, first we should click people. It's all in Meet. We should click this people here. If you click people, on the right column, now we will get informations all about people. In that people, again there is a three dots. Click three dots. You will get two menus. First menu is manage permissions. You can reject the student. You can mute the student. You can different types of controls can be done for a particular student using manage permissions. And also there is second icon, second what is the menu bar. It says download attendance list. Just if you click this, attendance list will be downloaded directly. Okay, but in Google Forms, we are Google Classroom, we have to take from the attendance, like a quiz and all. We have to save that. But here download is easy, downloading attendance. So this is how we are supposed to take attendance. So for taking attendance, we have to go to show conversation, and then meeting chat will open. There, come down, click three buttons. We'll get Google Form. Go to Google Form, type the question, mark attendance, and one option only. Tell next, and then send. After that, how to control students inside the class? You go to people, means controlling people, the students. You will get a menu all about people. There you click three dots. You can manage permission, and also you can download the attendance list. What are all there in managing permission? Yes, this is meeting options. How we managing permissions to your class. Who can bypass the lobby? Lobby means your classes, right? Always let callers bypass the lobby. Yes or no, no. You can control all these things. People in my organization, or people in my classroom, or whatever. Announce when caller joins or leaves. It will announce, yes. Who can present? Everyone can present, right? So these kind of options are there. We can play around this. This is how we manage the permissions. And now we are coming, the attendance and managing is done. Now we are coming to lecture. How to share the files and all this, how to record the session. It is similar, the same toolbar. We have three dots here. If you click three dots, we will get a pop-up menu. There are so many things to control our classes. Okay, the first thing I'll tell, start recording. It is here. If you click start recording, it will ask you to start. You say yes, your recording will start. Similar to Google Classroom. And so many other things is you show the device setting, show meeting notes, enter full screen, show background effects, not necessary. Turn on live captions, preview, not necessary, keypad, and all. End meeting. After finishing the meeting, you can end the meetings, right? These options are there. This you will get only by clicking the three buttons. So this is how we start the recordings of the session. Now for sharing files, we have to go here, this button. Nearby three dots, there is a file called sharing file. If you click the sharing file, it will take you to so many files which you can share directly. Okay, but in Google Classroom, there is again preview or upload something. There we are clicking and it will ask us share the window, share the tabs like this. But here it is, everything is here on this toolbar only. Let me show you in the next slide. Meeting is recorded. You see, I have recorded this meeting. Yeah, I think I did a recording for 1 minute or 30, 40 seconds just to show how the recording happens. So after recording, I should stop the recording, and how the recording gets saved or download. This is a question. Okay, I completed my class. Now I want to know where is my recorded version of my class. Means once if you do stop recording, it will automatically take some time. It will come in posts. See, in Microsoft Team, whatever we do, automatically it appears in the post. So here the this is 1 minute 33 second. That is a recording I did trial. So you can see here saving recording to Microsoft Stream. So it is saving now. Microsoft Stream is like a YouTube. So it is saving. After 1 or 2 seconds, your recording will appear. I will show that. Yes. After a few seconds, the recording is ready. It is recorded. You see the difference? Here it is still saving. So don't rush immediately after your class. Give some 2-3 minutes, because your class is going to be lengthy for 40 minutes. It takes some time. Give some 5 minutes, then the record will appear in this post window. Now how to download? For this, you click these three dots. These three dots are helping us for all editing and other things. So click these three dots, and then it will take you to the next screen. It will give a pop-up, pop-up menu, where you should click open in Microsoft Stream, because in the previous slide it says it is saving recording to Microsoft Stream. So now when you click three dot, we have to go to Microsoft Stream. So open in Microsoft Stream, or you can get the link and give it to our university IT center, or you can share in WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you want. So many options. Let me tell you how to take it from Microsoft Stream. It is easy. So we go to this Microsoft Stream. In the next slide, this is Microsoft Stream. Okay, if you see the URL bar, web.microsoftstream.com video blah blah blah. So here it is, the video is going on. This is 1 minute 33 seconds video. Here when you come down, there is three dots again. Please click these three dots. Again one pop-up menu appears. In this pop-up menu, click download video. That's it. Your video will be downloaded. So this is how we download the recorded version in Microsoft Team. I think I'm audible to all of you. All are following.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. So this is how we record the version. Now I am coming to sharing files. See, next to this three dots where we go for recording and stopping records, start record, stop record, it comes in three dots. Near to three dots is sharing files. It is sharing files in Meet. So if you click share files, automatically this window will, it will come up, somewhere below this screen. So there, if you can scroll up and down, you see, you can see this small bar. If you pull it down, so many things will be visible, whatever there in the system. See screens, Google Meet, Microsoft Whiteboard, and blah blah. This is my PPT, and so many things are there. If you scroll down, you can do trial by yourself. It's so easy. So now here I want to show, you see, taking our file is so easy. From here, I can click here, I can tell share my files. Automatically, it will go to students. If you are presenting a PPT, see your PPT is here. Click this PPT, and that's it. Your PPT is shared by student. Just confirm with any 1 or 2 students. They say yes, it's visible, and keep teaching. And before teaching, you record it always. That is always good for us. And what I want to tell is something different from Google Classroom is Microsoft Whiteboard. This I liked very much. Particular fine arts, this sort of creative students, schools, and architecture as well. Yeah. So this Microsoft board, it is there. I am going to show this next slide. I am choosing that. So this is a whiteboard. When you click this Microsoft Whiteboard, this Microsoft Whiteboard appears. You see, to get this whiteboard, it takes 2-3 seconds. That is why I was telling Honorable VC sir that it takes some time to upload. I mean, to open the new windows. So this is whiteboard where you can have some pencils and different colors, and you can create something and show. You can, if you want to plot curves, graphs, something. Always only with PPT we cannot do it. So we will use this to do some different type of teaching. This is like a teaching aid. It's an additional added value for teaching students. So how to use this? Click the pen. I've just drawn a car, something like. If you want, you can draw some XY axis and draw some curves and say this is cost, this is time, how the cost varies, and all these things we can use. This is advantage of this whiteboard here. But I'm not finding anything to be texted. You can also explore if you can find text. Some other softwares are having texts also. If you click somewhere, it will tell add text. We can type the keyboard, the text will appear here. Anyway, so this is all about using whiteboards. And after that, grades. Finally, we grades. There's only one student. So I have not submitted, I've given assignments, and this student has not taken anything. So I am not giving any mark. So if this is submitted, automatically out of 5 points, how much it will be visible? Out of 2 points, how much it will be visible? This is also similar to Google Classroom. See, the thing is, we have traveled in 2 different cars. All what and all we did is similar, but in a different way. One car is having one sort of advantage, the other is having other sort of advantage. Now, as we discussed, as Honorable Vice Chancellor sir advised, we will take one day and try to come to a decision which is more familiar, which is more easy, more user friendly to us. One thing. And adding to this, I want this IT center to see the technical background of these 2 softwares about the storage facilities and all, what Mr. Rajendra Kumarji was telling last time. So which gives large data storage, that advantage is also to be considered, and we will come to a concrete decision about all. So now if you're clear, then I will open this Microsoft team and show in 5-10 minutes. Otherwise, if anything to be discussed, please tell me.
That's fine, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Anil Verma from
Yes.
SBM.
Yes.
So there are a few questions in my mind, sir.
Please.
So one is that with this NIU ID that is in Google, Gmail, so we are not able to enter this Microsoft. We have to create an ID and password, right?
Yeah.
That has to be created by IT department.
Sure.
And since the students are not able to enter that Google Meet also, I mean that Google Classroom, so they also have to create NIU ID.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is one thing which IT department has to see. Number one, sir. So number two, sir, this comparison on this Sunday, if we give to you, sir, and you issue an order for that, let's say starting classes on Tuesday. So can it be slightly preponed to Saturday or something? So at least we get some time to prepare whatever is the final verdict.
What is it, sir? Please come back again.
Sir, since you are giving us time and the Honorable GP sir said that on Sunday we will give you the final verdict. Given to you. Right. So if it can be preponed to Saturday evening, at least we can prepare, get some time to prepare whatever is software to be used.
No, there is some echo. I'm not getting you. Sunday.
I think by tomorrow evening, sir, if we can finalize which software to be used.
Okay. Instead of Sunday, you want to prepone the decision.
Yeah, because once we get the decision, we'll start practicing that only.
Okay.
That's a request, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. Any other
And
questions?
so what's the basic difference in your opinion, sir, between the two?
No, you see, in my opinion, using Google Classroom is good in some aspect. Using Microsoft Teams is also better in some other aspect. So it is up to us, which we decide. Both are similar. I don't say Microsoft Teams is very difficult. I will run away from this. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. It's all user-friendly software, both. But only the critical thing to be seen is IT. The technical background. How much data storage capacity is available in Google Classroom and how much data storage capacity is available in Microsoft Teams. What are the other advantage as an organization we get from Google Classroom and from Microsoft Teams? If which platform is giving more advantage to the IT center to store huge data, we have to go with that because using Google Classroom, Microsoft, both are doesn't make any big difference. I can't say that is very difficult and this is very easy. Both are easy. Both are user friendly.
Because most of us are used to this Google Forms and like our own IDs.
Yes,
So,
of course. That is why this option is given to the choice. Voting is given to faculty members. I
right.
hope because Google Classroom is most widely used, right, from LKG students till higher education.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how the voting comes and we will decide. No, because obviously we faculty members, we are the customers. We are going to use these platforms.
Right.
So the decision has to be left to the majority of customers, what they like.
So can we submit by tomorrow evening, sir?
Please, you keep submitting.
Our option, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let us see what others. Some maybe. You see, some are beginners. They may need some time. That is why I'm giving PPT and all, keeping in mind that some college faculties they need some time to work on it.
So this
So,
PPT also you will share with us, no?
Ajay,
This PPT also you will share.
indeed, yes, yes.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will share. I will share.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Uh, Dr. Shan, can I come in?
Please, please.
Sir, I have a clarification request that
Yes.
some of though our the way of classes are a little bit different than the conventional one. So 2 days, Monday and Thursday, we have a class which is a kind of a studio which runs if throughout day, which is almost like a 7 or 8 hours class, sir. So
Yes.
is there any practical problem, like if we continue the same kind of a class or recording or whatever we for more than 1 hour or 2 hours? So will what does your experience say, sir? If we have a Monday and Thursday continuous 8 week minus lunch break, that's a lunch break is okay, but will this system also work for continuous like a 5 hour throughout without any stoppage, sir?
Sir, actually, I didn't come across such experience to use this continuously for more than 1 hour.
Yes.
Uh, of course, yesterday in the meeting, I used Google Classroom and it's working continuously for 1.5 hours.
Right, sir.
I believe, since this Microsoft has brought so many options for so many corporate and other kind of business people also, I do think it will support continuous working. But continuous working except lunch time and all, I don't think practically, we should, there is a waiting period where we switch off the computers for some time, 10, 20 minutes, break and all. So I advise to break and open, or you can continuous, you can work continuously. If it is working, okay, continue. But I didn't experience on the usage of this.
Hello.
So,
Yes,
so
sir, we can do continuously in Google Meet, but I have
Google.
no idea about the Microsoft 365.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir, it
Yes,
yes.
please.
works. Microsoft works for hours, long hours it can work. My
Ah,
husband is using that.
oh, great.
So
Okay,
it
Oh,
works.
fair enough.
that's an
But
experience.
in Google Meet, we can do continuous
Okay,
without
In
Yeah.
any break.
Microsoft also we can work continue
Ah,
okay.
hours
that,
for many hours in fact.
Yeah,
that is
for,
what
for
Fair.
I
both
felt
for both
because
of them we can work on.
Yes, sir.
We
I
yeah
felt these are all softwares developed for the corporate people and educations who hope for continuous working should not affect them,
yeah
and
sir.
we can continue from two
Like
sides.
like sir, before planning a meeting, scheduling a meeting, even in we can plan this in Google Calendar. So there is a mode of to conduct more than an hour, whatever you want.
Fair
Ah,
enough, fair enough, fair enough. We'll explore. Thank you.
fine, sir. Fine. So, yeah, we will explore. Yes. Any other questions, please?
We have calendar in Teams also.
Yeah, yeah.
We can schedule
Exactly.
our all our
Yes,
Exactly,
yes.
exactly, exactly.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So do we
Okay.
need
Thank
to
you for sharing your
subscribe
views.
for Microsoft 360? There is some subscription plans which is given there.
What is it,
Yeah,
please?
yeah, that
So
is like
Microsoft 360 subscription plan is there. So we
Ah,
have to subscribe that to that subscription before using this Microsoft
yeah,
Team.
yeah. Yes, yes. Such advantages are there. That's why I told, I need opinion from IT center also, these technical things to be seen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Anji.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions, please?
No,
Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay. So, Mayank G, Mayank,
Yes, sir.
Anji, you please take the screenshot of all the people. No, there we have 79 people. Just please
Yeah.
take screenshot and share it. Huh? I'm
Okay.
having little less time. I will move to that usage. I mean, application.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Sean,
Yes, doctor.
yeah. Now you have to compile what are the requirements
Yes,
for
doctor.
both the software. Okay.
Sure. Yes.
What are the requirements from the IT so that we can prepare the IT people to
Ah,
get all the things done. Okay.
sure, doctor. Yes.
And the decision may come, may be done afterwards, but we should have the requirements of both the software. What the necessities of this software, both.
Sure, doctor. Sure.
Okay,
Yes.
and
Yes.
apart from that,
Yes.
uh, it may be possible on fourth we may not just
Ah,
uh, start the software, the classroom with the software, but
yes.
definitely within a day or two we will
Yes.
be in condition to put all the classes in the same software.
Sure, doctor. Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine,
Okay,
doctor.
thank you. It's a wonderful presentation. If
Doctor,
anybody is
I have.
having any, yeah, please.
No, I will go to the application, doctor. I will show how it works.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
take care.
yes, please. So now I'm going to share this. Please stay with me for some time, because I'm switching. I want to bring this Microsoft team inside this Google Meet. I will log in and then I will show you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please.
Dr. Shan, once you have done, I would request to give
Yes,
me few minutes so that I can share my views.
please. Yeah, yeah, I will.
Thank you.
I think it is ready now. So now I'm. What is this? Now I'm sharing. Please see whether you can see this window. Uh, Anyone can see this window, please? What I'm sharing now, Microsoft.
Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Uh-huh. Google Meet is sharing a window. Can't share your screen. Sorry, it says there is an error. I'm trying again. Please hold on for 1 or 2 minutes, please.
Yeah, it's coming soon. Coming.
Okay, thank you. Can anyone see, please?
Yeah, yes, sir.
MTech system simulation.
Right, right.
I'm scrolling up and
Yes,
down.
sir.
Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is how it happens. You see, I have already filled. You see, normally the window will be empty, but since I worked little today for training purpose, something is appearing here. So initially, the post is there, and in that post you can come down again. At the down, you can see start new conversation. I can click here. I can say, good afternoon, all. I just enter. It comes here sending 3:45. It is sent. So this is how we send the messages, posting announcement or whatever, which we discussed. And next is about files, or you can scroll down. It says welcome to this class, upload class materials. I will show you again. Let us click this upload. See, this is how it takes 1 or 2 seconds. And in this upload, you can see new upload, copy link, download, add. So here we can click this upload button. Once if you click upload button, it will take to our files and folders. I will upload assignment number 3 or what, something, the camp topics, whatever. I'm opening it. So it says uploaded 1 item to general. So it is here, camp topic. It is uploaded. So this is how we upload the materials. And then next is about this. Next is about this. About this assignments. We will go to this class and assignments is here. Click these assignments. It'll we will get the create button. If you click create button, we will get a pop-up menu. Create this, we will get a pop-up menu. You can choose if you want assignment, if you want quiz, if you want form existing. We will go to this assignment and quiz. I will make it very fast. You see, working is very easy. Click assignment, you will get this window. Here I will write assignment 2. Instructions. Okay, write assignments manually and submit. Some instructions, and then add resource. Click add resource. So when you click add resource, one more window will pop up. Is it visible? I think it's visible to all of you, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
So
sir.
in this pop-up window, you come down, you have upload from this device. So click here. Again, you will get this. This is assignment number 2. So you can choose any files from your CAM assignment data or whatever. This is one date, this one. I will choose this one. Open. So it is uploading now. Once it is uploaded, click done. So the CAM assignment dated 27/3, whatever this is, students can edit. Okay, this is option is given. So the assignment question is there. So once they click this, they will see the questions. Then they will write the answer. They will submit again, and give the points. And here, let us see in these 3 dots what is there. You can, you can do all these explorings later on. What will you want? Open in MS Word, whatever, open in Word, online. And next is the points. You can give some 3 points or 4 points as you like, and it is all students as usual. Due date, if you click here, put the in calendar, choose the date, give some 10th, 12th, or some date, some time, and then directly go to the top right corner and tell assign. That's it. So assignment 2 is also created. You can see here assignment 2, due date 11th. It is given like this. Okay, so this is about assignment. Now going to quiz. Listen here little carefully. going to this create quiz. If you go to quiz, I told it will take you to Microsoft Forms. Now this is the form. Okay, already I have created attendance for today. Now quiz 1, these two are already there. If you want to choose, you can choose from the previous quizzes. If you want a new quiz, go to new quiz, click new quiz. Now it will ask you to log in. It is taking to Microsoft. Well, I'm not getting anything. It is okay. It has taken me directly. If at all, maybe first time when I do it, it asked me for login. Now it is already default. I logged in already. Now is untitled quiz. Let me change the title by clicking it. Quiz number 2. Descriptions. Answer. Quiz clearly. Whatever. And then add. If you click add, you will get menu bar, horizontal menu bar. You will get like this.
Sir, the window is not there.
Oh. It is not there, sir?
Not, sir.
I think I have to.
Maybe the screen is changed.
Screen is changed, yes. Let me stop and share this screen.
MTech system screen is there, MTech system simulation, but quiz screen is not here.
Oh, yes, yeah. I think I have to share it. I will stop this and I will come back, please.
Okay.
I will stop sharing this. Because this is important part. Now I'm presenting window. I have chosen. I'm sharing now. Microsoft Forms.
Yeah, coming came.
Thank you. Hanji. So you see, I just clicked here. I have given the quiz name, quiz 2. I clicked here. I typed the answer quiz clearly. Then I'm clicking add new. When I click add new, we will get a menu bar horizontal. Click add new. You will get this. So already it is chosen. Choice is chosen. Okay. So click that. It will take you to the multiple choice questions. So here, whatever if you want, okay, which online platform is better? Option 1, Google Classroom, and option 2, Microsoft Teams. Okay, so if I'm a student of course we are teacher, let us see Google Classroom is best. You see, if you move your cursor here, it will highlight. 3 small icons are highlighting. If you come down, it will highlight. If you want to remove the option, remove. If you want to edit. Otherwise, if this is the correct answer, you choose it. So I'm choosing Google Classroom by chance only. Nobody should get motivated with this. So I'm choosing this. This is correct answer. This is the work of a teacher. He will do it. And then if you want to add more options, add options. Okay. Otherwise, you give the points here. Let us take 2 points. And multiple answer, no. Only one answer required. So click that required. It will turn to green color. That's it. So question is done. Once it is done, you see on the top it is saving. Automatically it saves. See on the center top of this Google form, it says quiz 2 save. Automatically it will save. This is how the quiz is created now. Okay, now we have to bring this quiz back to Google team. Okay, so now I will stop this sharing. I will open the Google team. I'm stopping this. So this much work we are doing in Google Forms. Now again I am presenting, Microsoft team. Is it visible? Microsoft team.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now in this Microsoft team, again you click create. If you click create, again you go to quiz. If you go to quiz, Now I'm getting quiz 2. Is it visible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Quiz 2?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So this quiz 2 is visible now, which we have created just now. Select this quiz 2, and then you see the next button is ready, blue color. Okay. So select this quiz 2 and click next. Now you can see quiz 2 is coming in Microsoft Team. Is it visible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's it. So this is how we create quiz 2. And once the quiz 2 is created, you can give any additional instructions. You can keep your cursor here, keep some instructions, whatever, and you can give points, 2 points, whatever. If you want to edit, give the due dates also here. August 1, if you want to change the due date, give it to August 19th, whatever. And finally, you go on the top right corner, assign. So now the quiz 1 down is quiz 2. Quiz 2 is also assigned. So this is how we give assignment and quiz. And then we will see the anyway, let's see. It is taking some time to it is taking some time. Now the grade is quiz 2, assignment 2. This is material. This is quiz 1. All these things are coming here. If students giving response, their response will appear here after your evaluations. Their mark will come here. So this is how this assignments, quiz, and grades. Now we will go to Google Meet. Sorry, this Google is very familiar word. This Microsoft Meet. I'm clicking this Meet here. Please tell me if it is visible to all of you. Is it visible?
Coming, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm clicking Meet now. Meet now. Okay, I switch off my camera anyway. See, you get these icons. So here, as I told you, first we go to show conversations. Okay, to create a assignment. Sorry, marking attendance. Show conversations here. If you click show conversation, you see here it will change to chat window. So show conversation, meet chat. Sorry, meeting chat. Come down in the meeting chat, go to three dots and click it. You will get this pop-up menu, apps menu. There you click forms. Then it will take you to Google Forms. Here you write the question. What is the question? Mark attendance. Mark attendance. Well, second option we don't need. Go and give it to dustbin. And first option is present. That's it. And next. Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Now next. So in next is it appears like this, and I will send. Click send. It will send. Okay. So mark attendance will come under meeting chat. So here students will keep giving their and they will respond. Okay. This is about this. Now managing people. Go to people participants,
This is
and you
attendance
can see
parties.
people here, and go to three dots, and you have manage permissions. Also download attendance list. Both are here. If you click manage permissions, it will take you to the other window. I think it is not visible to you. Is it visible?
No.
Because it is switching out to another window, but it is nothing. As I showed you in PPT, it is having who can bypass, who can be present, who can announce, always let caller bypass the lobby. Same screen is coming here. We can choose and save it because I don't want to switch there in here. It's nothing big difference, nothing big difficult. So now, yes. Now again, this is about this marking attendance and managing attendance. Then we will see the uh, three dots where how to record. You see, you get pop-up menu, start recording. It will. So I am not pressing it because I'm already recording another thing. So if you start recording, it will record, and then you can stop record all these things. And then coming to share files, I will show you the share files. If you click share files, it comes down. You see, so many files are there. Whichever file you want, you can choose here directly. You know, I'm not choosing anything here. Okay, let us see this whiteboard. Let us see this whiteboard. And I click whiteboard. It will take little time to load the whiteboard here. Let's wait for 1 or 2 seconds.
I think sir, the attendance part is good in team. We can directly download it.
Yes, yes. Now this whiteboard is opening. See, we got the whiteboard here. And if you want, you can choose whichever color pen you need. This is a rubber, eraser. This is a color pen. You can draw y-axis and x-axis. You can draw the curve for variable cost, or you can the fixed cost, whatever. And if there is any mistake, you click the rubber. It's just like painting and all this. So this is about this white board. Okay, and then we can come down here. If you want to share, you see, you can share this PPT which I am presenting you. I have presented you today. Where is that? I think this one. Let me see. Is it coming to all of you?
Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe it is because these two softwares may collide with each other. I'm using Google Meet there, and I'm trying to show this one. So let's. So this is how I have stopped sharing this video Meet. Okay. So once you do this, see it is written here 4 minutes 59 seconds. Meeting ended. Okay. How was the call quality? And we can give the reply and all.
Sir, nothing is coming, sir.
Yeah.
White. Okay.
Because I stopped meeting now because I'm already in Google Meet.
Right.
It
Okay, sir.
will disturb.
Right.
Again, I'm going to meet. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, I will just show start and stop. Start recording. It is recording here. See, it is 12 seconds, 13 seconds, 14 seconds, whatever. And again, I go to 3 dots. I press stop recording. It says stop recording. Yes, stop recording.
Sir, nothing.
Hmm?
So nothing is coming, sir. It's a screen white, sir.
Screen is white. Huh?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Last few minutes. Is it visible now, please?
Right, sir.
Thank you. So I'll just show you how to record, start recording. Now it is recording. I think this is enough. I will stop recording now. Again, stop recording. It asks, do you want to stop recording? Yes. Okay, recording is being saved. You can see on the top, it is being saved. Recording has stopped. The recording will be processed and saved in Microsoft Stream. You can find the link to the recording in meeting chat history. Okay, we can go to meeting chat history and see the recordings. Okay, now I am stopping this meet by clicking this red button. Now I am leaving the meeting. Now you can see here, recording has stopped, saving recording. It is going on. Automatically, whatever we do, it appears in post. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Haji. So if I wait for 1 or 2 seconds, the meeting will be ready. Then we can download it. Okay, instead of waiting for this one, I will tell you my previous record, which I did in the morning. Go to these three buttons, open in Microsoft Stream. Again, it is switching to new window. It will not be visible to all of you. So I'm stopping this. I will take you to that. This is the last. Can you see this screen, please?
Yes.
Watch meeting. Can you see the screen? Meeting in general.
Meeting, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So this is opening in Microsoft Stream. Okay. So once this window opens, you scroll down, and you will get three dots. Click these three dots. You will get download window video. Click the download video. It will download. See, meeting in general. It is downloading here at the lower left corner. So this is how we download our video, and then we can upload wherever it is recorded. So now I will stop sharing this. I'll go back to this Microsoft Teams. Is it visible now? Microsoft Team page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all we use Microsoft Team, and this is not everything, and there are a lot of things to explore ourselves, and so many tools are there. So with these tools, what I told, this is enough to conduct the classes effectively, and more we explore, value will be added to the classes. Okay, so with this, I am completing our today's meeting, and yeah. So if any questions to be asked, you can ask. Otherwise, as Honorable Vice Chancellor was telling, we can decide by tomorrow evening. Otherwise, by day after tomorrow morning. Please send an email to me and copy to Register Sir, which you need. You just type Google Classroom is better. Enough. If you like Google Classroom. If you like Microsoft Team, just type Microsoft Team is better. So with
Yes,
this,
sir.
we will, Anji. So with this, shall we complete today's session?
Yes, sir. Fine,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all of you for
Thank you,
being
sir.
here.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you
Thank you,
for
sir.
wonderful
Thank you,
presentation,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
sir.
much
Thank you,
for
sir. Thank
your
you.
Thank you, sir.
wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you so much,
Thank you.
sir.
Anji, sir, thank you.
sir, this is Dr. Apurva